water that is more than enough at Sterkfontein Dam to increase the amount of water in the Val Dam. Rainwater is already abstracting water from the integrated Val River system at the limit set by the Department of Water, and will not be able to abstract any more water until the second phase of the Lesotho Highlands Water Project is completed to provide additional water. The rainwater is therefore not able to supply any more to the municipalities of Gauteng that is currently supplying, because the water that is abstracted at the moment is enough. As I've been saying, that what we are going through in Gauteng and all 11 municipalities of Gauteng, it is self-inflicted pain by municipalities where they were unable to do the necessary things, that is to operate their reservoirs and the water resource, as well as maintenance. The main underlying cause of water supply disruption in Johannesburg is therefore at the peak demand for water is close to and occasionally exceeds the available supply from rainwater. The demand-supply relationship for treated water in Johannesburg is very tight, and the system is vulnerable, and distributions caused by electromechanical breakdown or spikes in demand caused by heat waves. In addition to the completion of the second phase of the Lesotho Highlands Water, the meeting agreed that City of Johannesburg must reduce the leaks in its water distribution system and complete its current projects to construct more reservoirs and pumping stations to make its water distribution system more resilient to electromechanical breakdowns or spikes in demand. In 2023, our no-drop report said the department has since observed that Johannesburg is going through the non-revenue water, which stands now at 48.3%. And that includes physical loss, unaccounted water, illegal connections, as well as tankering. This is far above the international norm. Reducing water losses requires a multi-pronged approach by the city, including, amongst others, improving billing and revenue collection, to increase the funds available for maintenance, and to provide better incentives for water to be used efficiently, improving pressure management, replacing aging pipes which burst frequently, and installing water meters and replacing dysfunctional bulk and customer water meters so that water flows can be measured accurately to determine the location of these losses. We are going to request all citizens, when city technicians go across the streets to check the leaks, they must allow them inside their households to ensure that they get the leaks and close the leaks. But they are going to do proper identification, because we do know that at that period, even people who know nothing about water might come and take their chances. Johannesburg Water presented the measure which is implementable, which include, amongst others, throttling of water supply between 9 p.m. and 4 a.m. This is in line with our restriction on level 1. To enable the reservoirs to recover overnight. If they don't do that, the reservoirs might not be able to fill up, so we're doing that overnight. The city intends to implement this continuously from the 14th of November until the system is fully recovered. Secondly, procurement of a panel of contractors for emergency repairs of large diameter pipe leaks, and as well as increasing the number of teams on standby during the week to attend the leaks and burst even during weekends. Increasing the number of repair and maintenance teams on duty during the weekend with the aim of improving leak repair responses. the time, which is going to be a turnaround of 48 hours to 24 hours. Increasing the number of trucks available to its leak repair and maintenance teams. To implement the cut-offs of illegal connections in key informal settlements. Implementing advanced pressure management system, including the installation of 45 smart pressure controllers, that is to reduce the valves, in addition to the 15 which have been refurbished already by the city.